What's up guys, and welcome to our first recipe video on Boot Can Do. Today we're going to be making a vegan saag, which is a super tasty curry and it's also really healthy. So let's get started. So what ingredients you're going to need is 1 large onion or 2 medium. You're going to need 6 cloves of garlic, a thumb size knob of ginger, 10 small white potatoes, 3 cups of plant-based milk, so I've gone for oat milk, 5 tablespoons of tomato puree, a teaspoon of turmeric and garam masala, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, ground coriander, ground cumin, and 8 cups of spinach. You're also going to need a little teaspoon of olive oil or a neutral oil to put in the bottom of your pan. Step 1. Chop your potatoes into small, even cubes. Place your chopped potato cubes into a bowl and set aside for later. Step 2. Chop your garlic into small pieces. I prefer to crush mine with the side of the knife before, as this makes it easier. Dice your onion into small pieces and also grate your ginger. Then mix your ginger, onion and garlic together and place in a bowl and set to the side for later. Next, chop your spinach into small pieces. I use scissors as I found this easier. Make sure to chop up the stalks. Add a teaspoon of oil to a large pan and then add your chopped potatoes and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for a golden brown colour. Every so often, give your potatoes a stir. Move your potatoes to one side of the pan and then add your onions, ginger and garlic to the other side and cook them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir them all together and cook them for another 2 minutes. Move all of your ingredients to one side of the pan and then add all of your dry spices to the other side and temper them for 2 minutes.
tomato paste and then mix all of your ingredients in your pan with all of the spices and the tomato paste itself. Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper and mix it in. Now add your plant-based milk. Bring to boil until the sauce is thickened. And finally, add your spinach a little bit at a time and stir it in. When the spinach is wilted, then your curry is ready to serve.
And so there you have it, super easy and tasty meal. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you next time.